In this video, we will see how to assign new materials to our geometries. Here we have a ring and we would like to assign copper to this ring. So now let's create first new material. So click on add new material and confirm. Let's name it copper. We can also color it differently. For example, like this, roughly looks like copper. Apply, and now we have to select target geometry, and now we can create different properties. So click on plus, and here are a bunch of properties. For example, density for copper, it's about 9000 kg per meter cube. Heat capacity about 390, and thermal conductivity again approximately 390. We can also define anisotropic thermal conductivities. For example, in y direction I might have slightly lower conductivity, and in z direction maybe higher. And hit on apply button, and yeah, there you go, you have your new material defined.